Prepare yourself for the ultimate track weapon. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is here, and it's packed with cutting-edge tech, performance, and design that will leave competitors in the dust. Hey everyone, welcome back to Biker's Choice. If you're a fan of speed, precision, and raw power, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. This bike is an absolute beast, engineered for track dominance and street thrill alike. With an all-new design, upgraded performance features, and the latest in technology, the 2025 RSV4 Factory takes the world of superbikes to a whole new level. Let's break down everything you need to know about this beast. A legacy of speed. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory has always been synonymous with unparalleled performance, and the 2025 model is no different. Since its debut, the RSV4 has set the bar for track-ready motorcycles, with its combination of a V4 engine, precise handling, and aggressive design. The 2025 version honors its legacy, but pushes the boundaries of what's possible in terms of performance and technology. Aprilia has consistently refined the RSV4 over the years, integrating feedback from professional riders and enthusiasts alike. Now, the RSV4 Factory is not just a superbike. It's a highly tuned machine designed to offer the perfect balance of power, agility, and control. Whether you're hitting the racetrack or carving through winding roads, the RSV4 Factory is ready to perform. Power that will blow your mind. Let's talk power. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory features a refined 1099cc V4 engine, designed to deliver a thrilling 217 horsepower and a torque curve that's as smooth as it is powerful. This engine isn't just built for top speed. It's engineered to give you that immediate surge of power when you twist the throttle, making every ride exhilarating. What's new for 2025? The engine has been optimized with advanced electronic management systems and a new intake system, improving throttle response and providing an even more aggressive power delivery. It's the perfect blend of raw energy and precision, allowing you to dominate the straights and handle the corners with equal ease. Enhanced handling and stability. It's not just about power, it's about control, and the 2025 RSV4 Factory takes handling to the next level. The bike features a revamped aluminum chassis and updated suspension system that offers exceptional feedback and stability, especially at high speeds. With a fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, you'll experience perfect precision, whether you're navigating tight corners or powering through long, sweeping curves. The RSV4 Factory's frame is designed for maximum rigidity and lightness, allowing for optimal cornering performance. Plus, the bike's geometry has been fine-tuned for improved agility, ensuring that it feels planted yet nimble on any surface. Next-level technology. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is loaded with the latest technological advancements, making it not only one of the fastest bikes on the market, but also one of the most advanced. Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, system has been upgraded, giving you better traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. Whether you're on the street or the track, the RSV4 Factory adapts to your riding style and the conditions in real time, keeping you safe and in control. Additionally, the bike comes with a color TFT display that shows critical information clearly, including ride modes, lap times, and performance data. You can easily switch between different ride modes to adjust the bike's characteristics for various conditions, ensuring you get the most out of every ride. With fully integrated data logging, you'll have all the tools you need to push your limits and improve your performance. Aggressive design. The 2025 RSV4 Factory isn't just a performance machine, it's also a work of art. With its aggressive aerodynamic design, the bike cuts through the air with minimal drag while making a bold statement. The redesigned fairings feature sharper, more angular lines, and the front end has been updated with a sleeker, more aggressive look, giving the bike a menacing presence on the road. In addition to the visual updates, the bike's aerodynamic design has been fine-tuned for better high-speed stability, allowing you to stay planted even when you're pushing the limits. The RSV4 Factory's minimalist, track-focused aesthetic means every line, every curve has a purpose, and that purpose is performance. The ultimate riding experience. The RSV4 Factory has always been known for delivering a race-inspired experience, and the 2025 model is no exception. Whether you're on the track or riding through twisty back roads, this bike is built to provide the ultimate level of engagement and excitement. The perfect balance of power, agility, and precision handling makes it feel like an extension of your own body as you ride. With advanced electronics, high-performance components, and a design that focuses on rider experience, The RSV4 Factory allows you to take your riding skills to the next level. It's not just about going fast, it's about controlling every aspect of your ride and feeling completely connected to the machine. Conclusion. And there you have it, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension system, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive design, this bike is built to dominate the streets and the track. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking to upgrade your performance bike or someone who's been dreaming of the ultimate superbike experience, the RSV4 Factory delivers everything you could want and more. What do you think of the 2025 RSV4 Factory? Are you ready to unleash the full potential of this beast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Biker's Choice for all the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and more. Until next time, ride fast, ride hard, and ride safe.